Okay, while moving of the earth, the places which are coming in front of the sun, those will get daytime. The opposite direction of the earth, which are not in front of the sun, those places will get the night time. Again, while moving the earth, the places again, which they are getting now, for example, these children, for example, this is a camera, is the sun. Which places you are looking in front of on the globe? These Africa and Asia. The half remaining up to here we are seeing from the camera. It means these half places only in front of the sun. It means this half part of the earth will get daytime. Which places are opposite at backside? Those are North America, South America, Australia, not Australia, North America, South America. North America and South America. Those places are opposite. And while moving this earth, and again it will comes in front of the earth. Those are now we are looking on the earth, North America, South America. We are not seeing this India, Africa. It means now this America and this America, North and South America will get daytime. The opposite direction, India and Africa will get the night time. This is the rotation. These are the two end points, poles, and the earth rotates on its axis. Axis means in the same place. Axis is an imaginary line which passing the center of the earth to the poles. The earth rotates just like same. It will take one round. One round is called a rotation. The rotation causes the day and night. It will causes the day and night. Let us know about the revolution. In this picture also, in front of the sun, this half part only we are looking in the picture. This half part will get dark. It means half part will in front of the sun, it is the daytime. This half part is night. Okay, it is a rotation. Now let us go about the revolution. The path around the sun in which the earth moves is called a orbit. This motion of earth is called a revolution. While the earth rotating, while the earth rotating on its own axis, next day the place of the earth just it will move a single pinch of difference. While if we keep like this, if we move from one round, the same point we cannot reach. Just we can 1 inch or a single centimeter, single millimeter can also we can move. Like that, when the earth complete one rotation, it will just the place of the earth will just it change. Revolution. While rotating, here is the sun. Here already the sun is there. Okay. While rotating this earth, the next day the place of the earth will change. Like that, it will day by day, day by day, while the earth moves on its own axis, it will moving this which place around the sun, it is called orbit. Orbit. When the earth moving